Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix we suspended your account. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, if you're getting the error we suspended your account on Instagram, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to tap on disagree with decision. So from here guys, it will redirect to the appeal page. Just simply have to appeal for your account. Just simply have to write this: hello Instagram team, I don't think I have violated any terms and conditions, so please reactivate my account as soon as possible. Okay guys, because you have just 30 days to disagree with the decision. Okay guys, if you don't click on disagree with the decision guys, your account will be deleted permanently. So just simply you have to make the appeal within the 30 days. So you can see here guys, here is showing disagree with decision. I don't have this error on my Instagram account. I'm going to tell you how can you fix this one. So just simply have to close this page. Now let me open the Safari browser or another browser, and from here you have to search for Instagram Sport. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on help center. So when you tap on that guys, wait some seconds. So you can also contact with them through other account. If you have, just simply have to log in your account there and just simply contact with them, and you can easily see here guys. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to search for suspended account. You can see here guys, just simply have to wait some seconds. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on disable Instagram account. So scroll it down a bit, tap on no. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to select other, and here you have to write that hello Instagram team, my account has been suspended, so please reactivate it as soon as possible, and just simply have to tap on submit. Now your request will be submitted, and after that guys, your account will be back to you within 48 hours. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.